Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This vlog is from a trip I took with my friends to New York City between September 28th and October 2nd, 2023. So yeah, a few seasons ago, but the memories still feel fresh and I'm so excited to finally sharing it with you. Yeah, why am I happy about New York? Okay. One of the reasons I'm so happy about this trip is because I don't have to take a work laptop with me, because I'm taking a full day PTO for 4 days, actually 2 days, Monday and Friday. So I never did this before. I always travel with my work computer, working from home, then going out after work and during the weekend. So this is my first time going on a trip without my work laptop. So yeah, one of the reasons. Me and my friend departed from DFW airport. We took a night flight, so by the time we arrived in the city, it was already nighttime. We were so tired, hungry, and just wanted to rest. So we ordered some food, ate, took showers, and went straight to bed. So no adventures that day. So this is our clothes hanger. This is our second. Okay. This is like beginner stuff. You need it. This is a bathroom with the shower. Oh my god, this is so tiny. Which one?
Actually, yes. Just yes.
Indian food for dinner. The next day, we started exploring the city. At first, I was taking a lot of pictures and videos, but it got hard to capture the beauty of New York City with a phone or GoPro and keep up with the fast-paced environment in general. It rained a lot during our trip, and the subway in Manhattan was even flooded, so a few plans got pushed around. Having a long, unproductive day because everything is cancelled or there is nothing in New York because of the weather. Look at this. Already. Yeah, so like it looks like we just came for 4 days. In 2 days is just a waste. Yeah, so today we ate that Italian restaurant. It was good. Then what did we do? We came to the museum. The museum is closed, so like everything is like nuts on our side, but hopefully tomorrow will be better. And yeah, the building, oh I forgot, the Summit building, so we scheduled it for Sunday. Yeah, hopefully it will be good. But I like New York. It's beautiful. We're walking, not really dressed up in the way. I like it. So good. We also did the Statue of Liberty tour, super touristy, totally worth it. The boat ride, the views, and how beautiful the water was. Overall, it was such a great experience.
And that's a wrap on New York City trip. And of course, the rats made their appearance too, because it's not New York City without a rat cameo. Thanks for watching. If you ever been to New York or plan to go, let me know your favorite spots in the comment section. Have a good one.